Tapeworm infection, also known as taeniasis or cestodiasis, is caused by parasitic flatworms belonging to the class Cestoda. These parasites typically reside in the digestive tract of humans and animals, where they can grow to significant lengths, sometimes several meters. Common symptoms of tapeworm infection include abdominal discomfort. This can include pain, bloating, or discomfort in the abdominal region. Some individuals may experience nausea and vomiting, especially if the infection is severe. Tapeworms can absorb nutrients from the intestine, leading to weight loss even when food intake remains normal. Nutrient deficiencies caused by the tapeworm can lead to weakness and fatigue. Changes in bowel habits like diarrhea or constipation can occur due to tapeworm infection. Some people may experience an increased appetite, despite weight loss, as the tapeworm absorbs nutrients from the host's digestive system. In some cases, tapeworm segments may be visible in the stool. These segments may resemble grains of rice or cucumber seeds. Anal itching or irritation around the anus may occur due to the presence of tapeworm segments or eggs. Tapeworm infections are caused by ingesting the eggs or larvae of tapeworms. This can occur through eating or drinking contaminated food or water with tapeworm eggs or larvae. Consuming undercooked or raw pork, beef, or fish, which may contain tapeworm larvae. Lack of proper hand washing after using the toilet or handling contaminated materials, leading to inadvertent ingestion of tapeworm eggs. Direct contact with surfaces or objects contaminated with tapeworm eggs, such as soil or food. Eating raw or unwashed fruits and vegetables grown in soil contaminated with tapeworm eggs. Zoonotic transmission, where tapeworms are transmitted from animals to humans, such as through contact with infected dogs or livestock. The life cycle begins when a host ingests tapeworm eggs or larvae, often through contaminated food or water. Once ingested, the larvae hatch and penetrate the intestinal wall, entering the bloodstream. Larvae can then migrate to various organs, forming cysts and causing tissue damage. In the definitive host, usually a human, larvae develop into adult tapeworms in the small intestine, where they attach themselves to the intestinal wall using hooks or suckers. Adult tapeworms produce eggs, which are shed in feces, completing the life cycle. Diagnosis of tapeworm infection is based on stool examination. Microscopic examination of stool samples can reveal tapeworm eggs or segments. Imaging tests, such as X-rays or ultrasound, may be used to detect the presence of tapeworms in the intestines. In some cases, blood tests can detect antibodies to tapeworms. The primary treatment for tapeworm infection involves the use of medications called anthelmintics. These drugs work by either killing the tapeworm or causing it to release its grip on the intestinal wall, allowing it to be expelled from the body through bowel movements. Commonly prescribed anthelmintics include praziquantel, albendazole, and niclosamide. The choice of medication depends on the type of tapeworm involved and the patient's medical history. In rare cases, surgery may be necessary to remove a large tapeworm or to address complications such as intestinal obstruction. Complications of tapeworm infection include intestinal blockage. Large tapeworms can cause blockages in the intestines. Tapeworms can interfere with the absorption of nutrients, leading to malnutrition. In some cases, tapeworm larvae can migrate to other parts of the body, including the brain, causing neurological symptoms. To prevent tapeworm infection, cook meat thoroughly. Make sure meat is cooked to a safe internal temperature to kill any potential tapeworm larvae. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling food or eating. Avoid raw or undercooked meat, especially pork, beef, and fish, which are common sources of tapeworm infection. Ensure proper disposal of human and animal feces to prevent contamination of food and water sources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.